Are you still thinking metabolism is just about calories in, calories out? If so, you're missing out on the most cutting-edge insights. Modern metabolic research reveals a far more complex and fascinating picture, where intricate hormone networks dictate everything. Today, we're cutting through the noise to explore amylin peptide metabolism, a rapidly evolving field. We'll dive into how this natural hormone functions, the groundbreaking efforts in oral peptide delivery, and what investigational compounds like ASC36 are showing in early studies. Get ready to swap dogma for data and truly understand the body's chemistry. Amylin is a natural hormone. It's produced by pancreatic beta cells alongside insulin. After eating, amylin helps regulate post-meal blood sugar levels in research models. It works by slowing how quickly food leaves the stomach after initial digestion. Amylin also sends satiety signals directly to the brain, promoting feelings of fullness. Because of these actions, amylin acts as a key partner to the hormone insulin. Together, they help the body's systems manage nutrient processing in a balanced way. Researchers describe amylin as a crucial satiety and glucose regulation hormone. Without proper signaling, research shows appetite control can be difficult to maintain. This is precisely why amylin peptide metabolism is a significant research focus. Scientists now study compounds that mimic natural amylin signals for investigational purposes. These are called amylin receptor agonists, designed to activate the same pathways. Investigational compound ASC36 is currently being studied in laboratory research. It is not approved for any use, remaining strictly in the research stage of development. ASC36 is being extensively evaluated in preclinical models to gather data. ASC Pharma explores how ASC36 interacts with amylin receptors in these studies. The goal, understanding if reinforcing natural satiety signals supports metabolic balance. This research fits into a larger, rapidly growing field of peptide study globally. Now that we've swapped dogma for data regarding amylin's fascinating role, let's zoom in and see the machinery at work, especially considering one of the biggest challenges in peptide science. The journey from discovery to potential application is rarely straightforward, particularly when we talk about delivery methods. But before we get into the latest breakthroughs, make sure you're following peptides.today for all the crucial updates in metabolic research. And for deep dives like this, be sure to connect with me, Lena Cruz, for more scientific clarity. Now let's talk about a major hurdle and how researchers are innovating. For many years, peptide research faced a major delivery challenge for study. Most peptides require injection. The digestive system breaks them down quickly. Stomach acid and enzymes act swiftly, making effective oral delivery difficult. Protecting peptides from digestion is a huge hurdle in pharmaceutical research efforts. However, researchers and biotech companies are actively working to solve this problem. Ascletis Pharma reported peptide oral transport enhancement technology development. This technology aims to protect peptides during digestion for bloodstream access. Non-human primate studies suggest oral bioavailability of 6 to 8% for Ascletis-36 tablets. Researchers also observed a long elimination half-life, 116 to 167 hours. A longer half-life may support less frequent dosing in future research studies. These are early preclinical findings representing progress in oral peptide research. Early non-human primate research showed body weight reductions up to 13.2%. Scientists also reported reduced food intake in these animal research models. ASC36 showed greater relative weight reduction in diet-induced obese rat studies. This suggests ASC36 warrants further investigation in amylin receptor agonist research. Crucially, animal results do not guarantee human outcomes. Clinical studies are required. Rely on peer-reviewed science and regulated research for accurate understanding. Amylin peptide metabolism research is constantly evolving, with scientists exploring sophisticated hormone signaling and innovative delivery methods. Each new discovery deepens our understanding of how complex biological systems maintain balance. It's about replacing myths with evidence, empowering informed choices, and fostering a science-first approach to metabolic literacy. Understanding your body's chemistry is truly the first step to unlocking new insights. For more groundbreaking science and clarity, make sure you follow peptides.today and connect with me, Lena Cruz. Before we sign off, a quick legal disclaimer. This podcast is for informational purposes only and is not medical advice. All compounds discussed are for research use only and not for human consumption. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for medical needs and treatment.